Hello, my name is Sarkhatri and today I'm gonna show the demo video of internet programming module term 2 assignment, which was to restructure the given website as per the requirement. Now without delaying time, let's get started. And this is the home page of the front-end sections which I had developed using templating systems. You can see there are varieties of links there. Home, it says home, showroom, career, about us and contact us. And similarly, the above display, you can see the opening hours. It says Sunday close. As per the requirement I had maintained in my website, that so that it says Sunday close. And when I scroll down, then you can see there is it says happy discount offer. Those are the news stories. As per the requirement I had maintained in my website, so that admin can post a news story which can be displayed at the home page of the front-end sections. It says it along with the news story. Additionally, it has an image. We can input or we can insert an image news story descriptions, and we can similarly post. See, there is posted date, and this is the posted time and date on which the admin has posted, and this is the admin name who has posted this news story, and this is the footer of my website. And when I click over showroom page, then as per the requirement is display all the available cars that are currently on the website. This is the car title and this is the car primary image, and you can see those four images are the car additional image as per the requirement I had maintained, so that I can so that in this website now we can insert more images of the same product. And this is the car price. It says was £15,000 and now £13,000, means this 15,000 is the car previous or was price, and now 13,000 is the car present price. And this is the car descriptions, and I had separate this mileage and engine type as per the requirement instead of embedding them in same car descriptions. And those, you can see different types of cars are available at present. Those are the different varieties of car from different manufacturer. And in this left side navigation bar, you can see Jaguar, Mercedes, Aston Martin and BMW. Those are the car manufacturer. If admin add new manufacturer, then it gets objected and one new manufacturer gets added in this page. When I click over any of this manufacturer name, let's say for now I click over BMW, then it takes me to this manufacturer sections, and it shows all the car from the same manufacturer. You can see these all are from BMW manufacturer, and similar types of things happen here. And now I move to the Claire's career, then it says there's available job 0, means there are no any new jobs currently available. It says Claire's cars currently has no job opportunity available, but keep checking as new position become available regularly. As per the requirement, I had embedded this thing in my system, in my website. But additionally, you can add new job in this if admin wish. Admin the system so that if admin add a new jobs here, then you can see there's increment in available jobs, and you can optionally have a click over that job and view what the job is about. And when I click over about us, then it is the welcome to Claire's car, Northampton specialist in classic and importing car. This is about us. And when I click over contact us, then it shows a new form. Instead of sending an inquiry through email, as per the requirement I had made a form where you can input. We should have to input your detail like name, email address, contact number and inquiry. And when I press over send button, then then the inquiry move to the admin section, and admin can view that inquiry and reply on that. Let's try. If I, for example, I press Sagar Khatri, email address, for example this, contact number, if I write an inquiry very good, then when I click over send, then it says saved successfully, and it says thanks for the inquiry, we'll respond to you as soon as possible. Now let's move to the admin page. And now this is the admin login panel. I should have to put the correct username and password so that I can get logged into inside admin panel. For now, I had made a test account for root admin. There are two admin. There are root admin and the secondary admin. For root admin, the username is currently CLAIR clear and password is OPENSESAM open sesame. And when I click login, it says successfully logged in, welcome to the admin panel. And you can see this is the back end home page where you can see two links, home and logout. When I click logout, then the session gets destroyed. And these are in left side panel, there you can see manufacturer, cars, archive cars, news, inquiries, jobs and admin section. Let's click over inquiry. Now look, you got a look. It says inquiry very good and currently inquired by Sarkar, means at far previously I had inquired and now it get displayed over admin section. And when I click over reply, then I reply THANK thanks and reply. Then inquiry successful, it says inquiry successfully replied. Then when I click over inquiry, then currently there are no any inquiry left to reply, it says. And when I click over view all inquiries, then look, this is the previous inquiries. Those are the previous inquiries which has already been replied by any admin or by some admin. It says reply by Claire Clinton, reply thanks, and this reply date and this inquiry date, means we can have access to all the to view all the inquiries that are done previously. When I click over manufacturers, then it shows all the manufacturers that are currently in the website Jaguar Mercedes. And when I click over edit, then I can edit manufacturer name. It says BMW, I add I alphabet. Then I click over add, it says manufacturer record updated. Let's check. Look, BMW I means it has been successfully updated. Now similarly I can delete any of manufacturers here. And when I click over cars, it shows me all the available cars that is currently in the website. I can similarly edit. Let's edit this. I will make the title sport instead of sporty. Now when I click on save, then car successfully updated. Now let's check here. Previously there is sporty, but when I update or reload the page, then you can see there is sport, means the car has been updated. Optionally I can add more images in that car's view. Now let's add new car, name for example CSY2028, and description for now very good for test purpose. Price let's 600, mileage 70 for dummy, diesel let's say, and category BMW, and choose file. I will okay. Now when I save product, it says product saved, and I think a new car has been added. Look, new car has been added. And when I move to the front end sections, then look, I can have view of new car which I just added now. Similarly, if I click archive, then without loading page you can see the car has been removed from here and moved to the archive sections. Look, archive sections. Now it should have to be removed from here. Look, no, there is no BMW, that's CCI car. So when I click on archive, then when I update the page in the front end sections, look again, now that respective car came here, means this archive car and unarchive car is working. Now if I click over a delete car, or I can add more image. Choose file. Now for now I add these images, add. It says image successfully updated. And when I click in the front, reload the page in front section, look, new image comments, it has been working successfully. Similarly, if I click delete, then it says me a prompt that are you sure want to delete? Yes. Then when I reload this page, now look, there is the car has been already deleted successfully. Now similarly I can post a new jobs from here. I can add a new jobs. And look, if I click over admin, then it shows me a admin details. I cannot delete my own account, but I can delete other admin account, and I can post a news story from here. I can optionally delete and edit any of the news story. Now if I want to edit this news story, now look, new arrival 2018, then I'll make 19, then add, then it should be working. Now when I in home page, the 19 means it has been working. Now I think I had shown you all the functionalities of the developed website. And now when I click over logout, then look, it destroys the session. Oh, sorry. I want to show you from logging in secondary admin account, that is Fred, and password is okay. When I click login, then look, it shows welcome to the admin panel Fred. But you can view that there is no admin sections here. Means you cannot add or view any of the admin if you are a secondary admin. But in previously you can see there is admin, and also you can create a admin. I think I have described all the functionalities, so I want to log out. Hope that you like it.